Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Zavilas and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stocks of Canada, US and UK, and I also upload my analysis on the important Forex currency pairs daily. And sorry for not having a professional setup. I'm just doing this video from the comfort of my home. I even do not get time to edit my videos. I simply record the video. I even do not replay the videos. I just upload it. Okay. So sorry. And anyways, if you have watched my previous videos, then hopefully you have made good money from the stock of Royal Bank of Canada. I have been recommending Royal Bank of Canada for the last 2 days. Okay, these were the levels were recommended. Anyways, today I won't be recommending Royal Bank of Canada because today I'm not convinced. Okay, you can see that after making this high, it has failed to cross this level and it has made a higher low. So I won't recommend Royal Bank of Canada today. Today, so what are the stocks that you need to trade today? You can see that Toronto Dominion Bank TD is in a beautiful uptrend. Okay, so where shall you buy? Let me switch to the 1 day time frame. Okay, I'm using the 1 day time frame because these support and resistance levels are very important, and in the 15 minutes time frame there are not much levels available right now, important levels. Okay, so for TD right now TD is trading at 78.03, and so you need to buy TD at 73.78.35. Okay, if the stock opens between 77 and 78, you do not need to trade. Okay, you do not need to trade. You simply go ahead and place the buy order if it crosses the levels of 78.35 only, not before that. Okay, that means if it crosses this particular level, okay, if it crosses the previous day's high, then only go ahead and buy, otherwise no. and and the next ideal position to buy will be, suppose if the stock move uh, down a little. Okay, if it goes down a little bit for correction and if it bounces from the moving average, you can see that there is a blue line here. This is the 50 period moving average. If the stock bounces from the 50 period moving average and if you spot price rejection from below like this, okay, then also you can go ahead and place the buy order. Okay, so what are the buy spots? If it shows some price rejection from below from the 50 pair moving average, or if it crosses the 78.3 level comfortably. Okay, just remember the word comfortably. If it struggles at the 78.2 level, do not go ahead and buy order. If you see that, okay, market is in nice uptrend, there's a nice possibility that buyers will be in charge for the day, then only you can go ahead and buy. Okay, the next stock is Brookfield Asset Management. My net is not working properly, I think so. For Brookfield Asset Management, mm, important levels are 55.03 and 54.04. Right now trading at 54.36. Again, the same strategy is also applicable for the Brookfield Asset Management also, like the Toronto Dominion Bank. Only buy above 55.10. Okay, only buy above, or the this is the previous design. Buy above this level only, not below that. Okay. All if market opens somewhere around here or between this range, okay, just need to wait. Okay. Suppose market, let me draw, show you with the help of a drawing. Market opened here, okay, it went up, and if you see that after hitting this price, after hitting this level, um, it is not able to go up, or it is having some price rejection from above, then you can short the market here. Okay, and if it crosses this level comfortably, let it stay above 55 level for 20-25 minutes. Okay, then you go ahead and place the buy order. This this is important because this is the resistance. Okay, but when market will break this level comfortably, then this resistance will become the support. Okay, so if it crosses this level, let it sustain above the level for 15-20 minutes, then only go ahead and place the buy order. And if it shows some reversal, you can short the market here. Similarly, uh, if it comes down to this level, okay, and if it shows some price rejection from below, okay, then you can place the buy order here. And if it crosses this level, I'll say that you do not need to go for any trade. Okay. Because you can go ahead and take the shorting trade also, but it won't be a good position. Okay, because again there is a support available at 53.5, not much downside. Okay. So the next stock is TRP, or is TC Energy. Just now got a text. Okay, so TC Energy. For TC Energy, we'll be switching to the 1 day time frame. Yesterday, it made a big red candle. Okay, so what will be our strategy? Okay, no buying position for TC Energy today. Okay, if it crosses the previous day's candle, that is 55.89. If it crosses 55.89 level, okay, you can short the market here, and this will be your target 55. If TC Energy crosses 55.89 level, or let's say 55.80, you can place the sell order. Your target will be 55. The next stock is Enbridge. Yesterday, Enbridge has made a hammer kind of pattern. Beautiful, beautiful candle. Okay, I love this kind of candles. Okay, for ENB, you can what you can do is if ENB right now ENB is trading at 44.80, or LTP was 44.80. So you do not need to place any order between these two levels, 43.78 and 43.80. 43, this in between this range, you do not need to do anything. Just go ahead and place the buy order if it crosses the 44.90 level. Okay, just place the buy order above this level only, 44.9. Okay, otherwise just wait and watch. Okay, this will be your stop loss and this will be your target. Okay, 45.7 or 45.6 will be a target. Okay, just remember, no trade between 44.8 and 43.8. Okay, this is your no trading zone. Only place the buy order above this range. I'm almost out of time, so as okay, fine. Last stop. Actually, I try to wrap up my videos within 10 minutes. For NTR also, you can see that yesterday it has made a doji kind of a pattern. Okay, so LTP was 70.55. Uh, you can go ahead and place the buy order only above 71. Okay, below that, no trading zone. If it you don't need to trade between 71 and 69.6. Only buy above 71. Okay, that's it for the day. Thank you so much.